dogs can make us feel calmer. Look at this guy. He's going to make Yoshi feel calmer.
Good dog.
Do you have talent scouts coming to the Humane Society of Utah now, Yoshi?
You know, unfortunately, we do not.
So far,
at least.
Not yet.
Yes. But today we've got gorgeous Georgia. Well, really, it's just Georgia, but she's gorgeous. So I'm calling her gorgeous Georgia. She should be on films. And she is a sweet, sweet Border Collie Lab mix. Border Collies typically get to live anywhere from about 10 to 17 years. She's 6 years old, 75 pounds, so she's got a lot of awesome life left in her. She's a shelter transfer, so we don't unfortunately know a lot about her. What we know, she's sweet. She's a sweet girl. You can see she's just leaning right into my leg. She just met me today. And the minute she saw the leash, she was so excited because she knew it was time to go for a walk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
She knows what that means.
Yes.
Looks like if you don't pet her for about 10 seconds, she'll remind you.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, what a sweet dog.
She also looks like she's been eating well.
Yes, that's what it looks like. So she has not been on a diet of any kind, so that's good. Neither have I. I should be.
So she could use some walks and stuff like that.
Absolutely. And she loves that. She loves going for walks. So that should be, for an active family, she should be the perfect dog. And as you can see, she's just sweet. Just leaning into me, begging for pets. And
she is sweet.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what's her adoption fee?
She is a name-your-own price. So that includes the microchip, the vaccination shot, and she's already spayed.
Thanks,
so great
Yoshi.
investment.
Okay, here's the number on the screen. Give them a call, 801-261-2919. Ask for Gorgeous Georgia.
Yes.
Hi, Max. What's coming up?
You know, I think Ray Charles sang a song about her. Georgia. Yeah. Anyway.